Keep the angle steady. We need more support over here. Check the tension on the yellow cables. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Looking good, almost there. Clear right side. Keep it slow. You're clear. Coming in, stop. Watch the pillar, move up. Just a bit more. Keep it steady. Guide it down slowly. Looks good. Almost there. Perfect. Secure the clamps. Looks tight. Just check the pressure here.
Copy that.
Copy that. Let me know if you see anything else. Line up that panel. Hold it steady. Ready with the rivet gun. Hold, slow down, lower, move it in. Stop, stop, adjust it. Perfect, hold it right there. Welders, go! Line it up there. Just checking the connections. Yeah, perfect. Should be good to go. Line it up perfectly. Got it. Tightening these now. Hold this. Got it. Push it in hard. It's in.
The Falcon is ready.
Amazing work, team.
Looks like she can take on anything.
Keep tension on the ropes.
Hoist is clear.
Lifting slowly, watch the blades.
Keep going, slowly. Stop. Adjustment needed. Up a little, then hold it. Perfect, hold it right there. All right, secure the starboard side. Got it. Locking in now. Keep it steady. Watch the hub. Almost there. Up and over. Hold tension on the lines. Slowly lower. Check alignment. It's steady. Okay, cables are loose. Attachment secured. Well done, team. Keep it steady. Look for the yellow line. Roger that. Checking the clearance. All clear ahead. All right, lights are coming on. Okay, power up the racks now. Check the sensors. We're ready for diagnostics. Let's get this one positioned properly. Okay, lowering it now. Check the alignment, guys. Torque's good on this one.
Right. Check the alignment on the left mount.
Needs a final adjustment here. All right, slowly now. Got it, looks good. Latches down. Secure. Keep it straight, mate. Yeah, I'm adjusting. Keep pushing. Keep it steady. Guide the wing. Looking good. Slow it down a bit. Check the clearance on the tail. Coming through.
The finish is perfect, just what we aimed for. Immaculate. Months of hard work paid off. Ready for its maiden flight. Looks stunning.
Keep it steady. Watch the tail.
Stop!
Disconnecting. Keep an eye on the leading edge of the wing. Got it, looks clear. Check the sensor array on the nose. We did it! Congratulations, everyone!
To the first fly